Hello and welcome. For today's meditation, we are going to be focusing on connecting you deeper into your ability to feel. Connecting you deeper into your feeling nature. Opening you up into your ability to feel deeper and to feel the full range of emotions and experiences and energies available to you. We expand your ability to feel joy, to feel bliss, and your ability to feel where you are uncomfortable, where you are in pain, and where you are suffering. And as we open you up deeper into your own feeling nature, this ability will allow you to create manifest through your ability to feel deeper and deeper and deeper, to own your feelings, to honor your feelings, to feel your feelings, to regulate your feelings, to connect to your feelings, to express your truth, to express what lies within. Now your feelings just are. You can deny your feelings, you can bury your feelings, you can become disconnected from your feelings. Your feelings can be manipulated, your feelings can be abused. But we are here now to honor your feelings, to give them a space, to recognize their potential, to recognize their voice. And so I want you now to take a moment to allow yourself to feel. And I want you to imagine yourself calling in something you want to feel, feeling you desire to be within. And I want you to connect to that feeling. This feeling can be anything that you desire to feel. And I want you to take a moment to close your eyes, if they aren't already, to connect into your breath, and to step into alignment with this feeling. Now that you have a name for it, for what you're desiring, I want you to connect to the feeling, the essence of that which you desire, whether that be joy or bliss or peace, freedom, strength, success. I want you to feel it. And you can imagine this vibration coming in as a tone, as a color, as an image connected to this feeling. Now, when we allow ourselves to embody within this feeling, we exist within that vibrational alignment of that which that feeling brings more of. When we allow ourselves to feel free, independent of any external circumstances, when we allow ourselves to feel joy, independent of any external circumstances, we are able to create that feeling into our lives, to manifest that feeling into our realities and our existence, to build upon it, to connect deeper into it. Just as when we allow ourselves to feel the negative emotion associated with something we may be experiencing, it holds a certain wisdom. It's telling us something. When we are not feeling we are not creating the feeling of peace, of joy, of freedom, and we are expecting it to come from something outside of us, it may give us a momentary feeling of bliss or joy or freedom, and yet it is fleeting. It is only when we source this feeling from within, independent of all circumstances, that we are able to truly manifest this into our world. The life, the experience connected to that feeling. We become the creator and the manifestation of that. And so I want you to bring this feeling into your reality, this chosen energy, and to connect deeper into our feelings, whatever they may be, to release out of external circumstances. And to source our joy and our bliss and our peace and our unity from within. To birth it into being. When we are in alignment with this ability to be within our own feeling nature, we are able to connect deeper and deeper and deeper into our true power and our sacred essence. I want you to take some time over the next few days, specifically today, to work with this meditation. to check in with yourself throughout the day. What am I feeling? Is this the feeling I want to create, manifest with, or should I release it in favor of creating something new for myself moving forward? And this is something you can do at any point to release anything that is not in alignment with that which you desire to create and manifest for yourself. And I want you to begin to note this process and to move deeper into it. And until next time, namaste.